Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The idea of cryptocurrencies replacing traditional currencies like the dollar is a subject of ongoing debate. Cryptocurrencies offer decentralization, digital convenience, and potential for innovation in financial transactions. However, several challenges exist, such as volatility, regulatory concerns, and widespread acceptance issues. Currently, it's unlikely for crypto to fully replace established currencies like the dollar due to stability, regulatory frameworks, and entrenched financial systems. Nevertheless, crypto could complement traditional currencies, leading to a more diversified financial landscape.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.